One of the most useless pieces of advice I used to give was, in order to get buy-in for budgets, projects, or big ideas, go and speak to senior leadership by knowing the business issues, reading the annual report or the 10Ks, and putting your presentation into business language. I was wrong. Over the years, I discovered that there's a much more effective way of creating support for any of your big ideas. And it's called relationships. People with a bad attitude might call it politics, office politics. But think of office politics as advanced relationships. And if you want an advanced course in relationships, we can start right now. Many senior management leaders are driven, controlling, powerful leaders who want results and are committed to making results and don't want to be bothered with anything that doesn't create the results that they want. Now, of course, you can match that energy with talking about your results with powerful language, but you can also evoke the emotion that powerful, driven people most want. They most want to feel compassionate. They most want to feel empathy and calm and relaxation in their lives. Powerful, driven, stressed executives spend more money on relaxation tools and massages and spas and fitness regimes in order to feel good and calm and relaxed in their life. So whatever you talk about to get your budget, project, or big idea supported by senior management, you get to create a space, an image, a vision for that leader that once this is done, it will create a safe, relaxing space for that leader. In other words, put your project in terms of what your project will do for the business leader, for this CEO, for this executive. How will it empower the people around him or her so that there's less stress on their life? How will it create results that are important to that person rather than adding any complexity? Ultimately, your job is not to convince them that your project is good, but to show them that by rolling out your project, your budget, your big idea, their life will be internally better. You get to put your arm around their shoulders, figuratively, and walk them to this relaxing, happy place that they really want to inhabit. So, office politics, it's really advanced relationships.